continuing from the last video that I uploaded about the neon makeup trend. So I created this look, and if you're interested to know how I created this using a dupe for the Huda Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadow, then stay put. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. My name is Sangya Lakhanpal, and please subscribe if you're interested in beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel, and anything else under the sun, because anything interesting that comes my way, I like to make videos on it. I'm here following up from the neon makeup trend video that I had posted a couple of days back, and it is one of the trends that Cosmopolitan predicted out of the 15 biggest trends for the year of 2020. I know it is August and I'm just starting to create those 15 looks, but for me, the year 2020 has really just begun, so I don't care, and I'm going to try and achieve those looks. A disclaimer, I am not associated with Cosmopolitan in any way whatsoever. I'm just a content creator who loves beauty and thought that I could achieve all the looks that they predicted. So here I am following up from the last video. I'm continuing on the neon trend only because a lot of you DM'd me saying that I used a very expensive product, which is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadows in Minted and Dinero. They have many shades, but I use this one for the neon look. So what I'm doing here is creating this neon look. It's quite pretty, so you want to stay and learn how I did it, or at least see how I did it, using a matte liquid lipstick, which is very affordable, only rupees 295. It is the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in Orange Tango 07. So in this video, you're going to learn how to create this beautiful neon look, and you also learned about a dupe for the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadow. In fact, any liquid matte lipstick will do. So without wasting any time, let's get right in and see how I created this beautiful look. Let's begin by prepping our eyes. For that, I am using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer in the shade 130 medium. So I'm going to twist it to get some product out and then directly apply it on my lid. Take any brush to blend the concealer out, be it a fluffy blending brush or an angled fluffy blending brush, it doesn't matter. So I usually go in with this one. I am going to just blend this out. It's good to prep your eyes, you guys, because it helps the eyeshadow sit better. In this case, the matte lip color sit better and also intensifies the color. So now that I have blended the concealer, let's get right to applying the pop of color. I'm using this color because this color is like a neon-y orange. And let me swatch it for you right here. It's this color. And I think it's going to be a beautiful pop of color on the eye and give us that neon makeup look that we are trying to achieve. So here is the product, and let's get right in. I'm taking two brushes to achieve this look. One is this flattish brush, and the second one is this eyeshadow application brush. So let's dive right in. I've applied the product here. I'm just gonna pick it up with this flat brush and apply it in the inner corner of the eye. And like the matte and metal shadow, this lip color also dries off matte, which is why I'm trying to show you that you don't necessarily need to buy an expensive product. You can make do with whatever you have in your vanity, and I love how this color is popping. Let me just quickly blend it a little. Alright, I have blended it, and I think I want to build this up a tad bit more so I can have a better pop of color. So I'm just going to take a little more product using the same flat brush, apply it in the inner corner again, This is also drying out pretty quickly. And let me quickly blend this. This was so much easier to blend in comparison to the matte and metal shadow. To be honest, that product was a little difficult to work with. I want to apply a little eyeshadow as well on top of this. So I'm using this Huda palette. And I'm going to use this pinkish orange color to intensify this pop a little bit more. So going in with the application brush again, I'm just going to press the product in. And there you go. I'm going to take a blending brush and using the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette, I am going to use the color Asteroid and use it as a transition shade all over my lid now. So just to create a different kind of a neon eye, I am going to do something a bit different than last time. So I'm taking some more product on the back of my hand. Using the same flat brush, I'm picking up the product and I'm applying it on the lower lash line but on the outer corner only. And I'm extending it like a wing a little bit. And I'm not going beyond half of my eye towards the inner corner. I'm staying in the outer corner. Same for the right eye. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take the powder from the Huda palette, the same color that I applied on the top of my lid, and using the same flat brush, I'm going to pick up some product on this and try to smoke out the lower lash line. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. I'm also learning as I go with you guys, so it gets me really excited when I can think of something cool and do it for you guys, in front of you guys, because it's a constant learning process for me as well, you know. I love how this has turned out. This is amazing. So I'm just gonna finish the eye, apply some mascara, and I'll be right back. So see you soon. I am back. I am loving this look. I want you guys to check it out. How gorgeous. All I did was apply a little bit of highlighter in the inner corners of my eye, apply mascara and put on a nude shade of lipstick. It's a combination of two lipsticks. One is the Maybelline Creamy Matte in Just a Teaser. It looks like this. And the one on top of it is the Nude Embrace, again Maybelline Creamy Matte. So mixture of two nudes to achieve this, and yeah, the look is complete. So guys, this is it, and I want to begin by thanking you for asking those questions and letting me know that the cost of that product was bothering you and you thought a little constrained in terms of being able to create the look. But I hope you've learned that your creativity is not restricted to the cost of the products. It is just restricted to your mind or in your mind. So whenever you feel creative and you feel like you want to achieve a certain look, make sure you look hard in your vanity and see if any other product will do the job of the product that's being shown in the videos, or if it's a little expensive. And I just want to tell you that initially even I wasn't able to afford these products. They have either come in as gifts, or my mom has helped me, or now I am able to purchase them. So give yourself some time, don't be so hard on yourself, and get creative in terms of looking for those products in your vanity. You will definitely find something. Look at us, we created this beautiful look and in half the time and probably 1/4 the price by using just something that was so easily available in my vanity and so affordable. So yes, I hope this video benefited you guys and you find it useful and use it. And if you create this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Please give me feedback in the comments on YouTube as well. I would love to hear from you guys and help me grow the YouTube family. You guys are so very kind on Instagram. Please, let's grow our YouTube family as well. I want to interact with you guys and show you so much more that I'm learning, creating. So yes, until next time, I love you guys and see you very soon. Mwah.